The Emperor believes that Directorial 702 has fled to the west, towards the land of the Elders. No doubt he means to link up with what's left of Clan Tuscarora. Any and all previous missions are hereby terminated at once.
You have renounced your title of Lord Commander, Directorial 702.
Yes, that time has passed us now. We have a mission to focus on, Cathode.
Star Legion is still strong, still hunting us. Rocky's vision has brought nothing but wasted time and dead comrades.
Watch your tongue, Chiron.
I will destroy everything he has built. Your unwillingness to listen to High Command costs you one of your soldiers.
High Command has always made mistakes. You of all people should know that.
And rid us of this green-eyed demon.
I will deliver his head to the feet of the Emperor. And he will finally grant me heir to the Empire. My birthright.
Everything we should do, thought, lived. You threw it all away. For what? Some clan we already defeated?
We do not simply lower ourselves. Become swords with higher. The town belongs in the hands of its people. You save from yourself.
But I know why you wear that mask. To hide your face. A face that isn't even yours!
There will be war between the two of you, and one of you will die. For which one? I cannot say.
I grant you the first step in evolution is always the hardest, but it is necessary.